Basic Programming Skills Quiz. 30 multiple choice questions. Let's begin. Question 1. What is a variable in programming? Option A. A fixed value that never changes. Option B. A named storage location for data. Option C. A type of loop. Option D. A syntax error. The correct answer is option B. A named storage location for data. Question 2. Which of these is a valid data type in most programming languages? Option A. Integer. Option B. Sentence. Option C. Paragraph. Option D. Chapter. The correct answer is option A. Integer. Question 3. What does a for loop primarily help with? Option A. Storing data permanently. Option B. Repeating a block of code. Option C. Declaring variables. Option D. Connecting to the internet. The correct answer is option B. Repeating a block of code. Question 4. What symbol is commonly used to denote a comment in Python? Option A. // Option B. Exclamation. Option C. # Option D. Asterisk asterisk. The correct answer is option C. #. Question 5. What is the purpose of an if statement? Option A. To repeat code infinitely. Option B. To make decisions based on conditions. Option C. To define a function. Option D. To import a library. The correct answer is option B. To make decisions based on conditions. Question 6. Which of these is an example of a Boolean value? Option A. 42. Option B. Hello. Option C. True. Option D. 3.14. The correct answer is option C. True. Question 7. What does debugging mean? Option A. Writing new features. Option B. Finding and fixing errors in code. Option C. Deleting a program. Option D. Compiling code. The correct answer is option B. Finding and fixing errors in code. Question 8. Which operator is used for addition in most languages? Option A. And option B. Plus option C. Equals option D. %. The correct answer is option B. Plus. Question 9. What is a function in programming? Option A. A reusable block of code that performs a task. Option B. A type of variable. Option C. An error message. Option D. A file extension. The correct answer is option A. A reusable block of code that performs a task. Question 10. What does an array store? Option A. Only one value. Option B. A collection of values. Option C. Only text. Option D. Only numbers. The correct answer is option B. A collection of values. Question 11. Which of these is a looping structure? Option A. While. Option B. Print. Option C. Import. Option D. Return. The correct answer is option A. While. Question 12. What does equals typically check in programming? Option A. Assignment. Option B. Equality between two values. Option C. Division. Option D. Comment. The correct answer is option B. Equality between two values. Question 13. What is the index of the first element in most arrays? Option A. 1. Option B. -1. Option C. 0. Option D. It depends on the value. The correct answer is option C. 0. Question 14. What does syntax error mean? Option A. A logical mistake in the algorithm. Option B. A violation of the language's grammar rules. Option C. A missing internet connection. Option D. A hardware failure. The correct answer is option B. A violation of the language's grammar rules. Question 15. Which of these is used to store text in most languages? Option A. Integer. Option B. Boolean. Option C. String. Option D. Float. The correct answer is option C. String. Question 16. What is the purpose of a while loop? Option A. To repeat code as long as a condition is true. Option B. To define a class. Option C. To store multiple values. Option D. To end a program. The correct answer is option A. To repeat code as long as a condition is true. Question 17. What does compiling mean? Option A. Running a program directly. Option B. Translating source code into machine code. Option C. Deleting unused files. Option D. Formatting text. The correct answer is option B. Translating source code into machine code. Question 18. Which of these is not a common programming language? Option A. Python. Option B. Java. Option C. Hypertext. Option D. C++. The correct answer is option C. Hypertext. Question 19. What is an algorithm? Option A. A step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Option B. A programming language. Option C. A type of computer hardware. Option D. A file format. The correct answer is option A. A step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Question 20. What does return do in a function? Option A. Stops the entire program. Option B. Sends a value back to the caller. Option C. Deletes a variable. Option D. Starts a loop. The correct answer is option B. Sends a value back to the caller. Question 21. Which of these best describes an IDE? Option A. A type of variable. Option B. A software application for writing and testing code. Option C. A network protocol. Option D. A data type. The correct answer is option B. A software application for writing and testing code. Question 22. What is the result of 5% 2 in most programming languages, modulus? Option A. 2. Option B. 1. Option C. 0. Option D. 2.5. The correct answer is option B. 1. Question 23. What does OOP stand for? Option A. Object-oriented programming. Option B. Open Operating Protocol. Option C. Output-oriented process. Option D. Ordered object placement. The correct answer is option A. Object-oriented programming. Question 24. Which of these is a common way to declare a constant in many languages? Option A. var. Option B. const. Option C. loop. Option D. func. The correct answer is option B. const. Question 25. What is the main purpose of version control systems like Git? Option A. To design user interfaces. Option B. To track and manage changes to code. Option C. To compile programs faster. Option D. To encrypt passwords. The correct answer is option B. To track and manage changes to code. Question 26. What does concatenation mean in programming? Option A. Dividing numbers. Option B. Joining two or more strings together. Option C. Deleting a variable. Option D. Comparing two values.